Hello everyone. So welcome to the third video of the parabola. So in the last video we discussed till this question. This was the last question we discussed. So now we'll continue with the next question here. I hope you have understood all the questions which we have till now discussed. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Sorry. So the next question is, if parabola y square equal to 4b x minus c and y square equal to 8x have a common normal, then which of the following is a valid choice for the ordered triad ABC? That means you have to find which of the following can be the values of ABC such that these two parabolas have common normal. Now see, first thing you can observe here, in the option it is given that ABC triplet, ABC ordered triad, all are positive or zero, right? So let's say if you consider the first parabola, this is y square equal to 4b x minus c. So what is the vertex of this? This will be at c, right? That is c comma 0. So let's say this is the vertex c comma 0. What is the vertex of this parabola? This is c comma 0, shifted parabola, right? And it is something like this. This is the parabola, that is y square equal to 4b x minus c. Now this is y square equal to 8x. This is standard parabola. You can see this is some parabola, y square equal to 8x. This is y square equal to 8ax. Okay. Now the question is, these two have a common normal. Okay. So let's say this is the common normal. Let's say this is the common normal. I am assuming this is the common normal. Now, if this is common normal, that is, this is normal to both these parabola. This is normal to both these parabola. So, what can be the values of ABC? This is what you have to find. Now, understand this. Let's say the slope of this line is m. Let's assume this slope of this normal is m. Now, we know what is the equation of normal on this parabola y square equal to 4ax. If you have the parabola y square equal to 4ax, what is the equation of normal whose slope is m? This is y is equal to mx minus 2am minus a. This is the equation of normal with slope m to the parabola y square equal to 4x. Now see, what is the equation of normal with slope m to this y square equal to 8ax? Basically, here we have 8a. So the a for this is basically 2a, correct? 4a is equal to 8a. So this is, you can say this is 4a is equal to 8a, that is a is equal to 2a. So what is the equation of normal to this parabola y square equal to 8x? I can write this is y is equal to, so I'll just write this. This is y is equal to mx minus 2a, that is 2a m minus a m cube. So this is 2a m cube. For this parabola, a is basically 2a, right? So this is y is equal to mx minus 4am minus 2a m cube. So this is the equation of normal with the slope m to this first parabola, right? This parabola. Now, what is the equation of normal to this parabola? So what is a for this? This is b, right? Now this is a shifted parabola, x minus c. So what will be the normal with slope m to this parabola? This is y is equal to m, slope is same, m, x. What is x? X ki place par we have x minus c here. So this is x minus c minus 2am. What is a for this? This is b minus a. Y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So this is a, that is b m cube. I hope this is clear. You can check this equation of normal and normal, right? So if I just simplify this, this is y is equal to mx minus m into c minus 2bm minus bm cube. This is the equation of normal for the first parabola. This is the equation of normal for the second parabola. I hope this is clear. Yep. Now see, if this is common normal, that means both the equations should be same. Both the equations should be identical, right? Because the same line is normal to this two parabolas. So what is the condition for both the lines to be same? The coefficient should be proportional. Here you can see here this coefficient are equal. Here this coefficient and this coefficient are equal. X का coefficient are equal. So obviously, what is the condition? That these two also should be equal. So now see, if I apply this condition, that is, you can see here, this is you can write the constant term here. That is, I can say this is 4am plus 2am cube. That is minus. This is minus of 4am minus 2am cube. This should be equal to minus mc plus 2bm plus bm cube. Correct? So this is the, now if I just arrange these terms, you can see here, see, 1 m can be equal to 0. That is, you can see x-axis. You can clearly see f. This is the common normal. So other than that, if you have any other normal, let's cancel this m also. This is cancelled. This is 4a plus 2am square. Just cancelling this m, considering we have other normal which is common. Okay. So this is c plus 2b plus bm square. Okay. So what we have done is we have just arranged the we have just cancelled this m here, right? Now see, if I just arrange this also, so you can see here, this is, I have b minus 2a m square, b minus 2a m square. This is 4a minus 2b plus c, 4a minus 2b plus c. So this is equal to 4a minus 2b plus c. You can check this. This is 4a minus 2b minus c, sorry, so minus, just now we have to just do the calculation. This is b minus 2a m square, and this is 4a minus c minus 2b, 4a minus c, 4a minus c minus 2b. So this will be minus c only. This will be minus c. This is minus c. So this is, you can see, what is m square? M square is equal to 4a minus 2b minus c divided by b minus 2a. This is the expression. Or if you want to further simplify this, you can see this is m square is equal to, if I divide these two, you can see this is 2, if I take this is 2a minus b minus c divided by b minus 2a, right? You can see 2 common. So if I just divide these two, you can clearly see, if I just divide this, this is minus 2 minus c upon b minus 2a. Correct? So see, this is m square. This is m square. Now, if this is m square, obviously for real values of m, this quantity should be positive. Correct? So can we say this is minus 2 minus c by b minus 2a should be greater than 0. Equal to 0 also can be the case. So I can take this is equal to 0 also, because if m is equal to 0, we have the line which is passing through origin. Correct? So now what is this? This is, you can say this is c upon 2a minus b should be greater than 2, greater than equal to 2. Correct? So this is c upon 2a minus b should be greater than equal to 2. So this is the relation. This should be the relation between a, b, c. So I can just write this. This is c upon 2a minus b, c upon 2a minus b. So we have got c upon 2a minus b should be greater than equal to 2. Right? You can check this. C upon 2a minus b greater than equal to 2. Now, which of the following can be the values? Now see, if I just substitute all the values, if I take the first combination, c is equal to 0. If c is equal to 0, you can see this is not satisfying. This will be 0 greater than equal to 2, not possible. So this is not correct answer. C is equal to 0, again this is not possible. Correct? If I just check this, this is c is equal to 3 upon 2 minus 1 greater than equal to 2. You can see, I just substitute this value. You can see c upon 3 upon, this is basically 3 is greater than 2. That is, this is correct combination of values of a, b, c. If we take the last option, this is c is 3. So if I just put this value, this is 3 upon 2a minus b. What is b? B is 2. And this is greater than equal to 2. Again, this is not correct because this quantity is a negative quantity. It cannot be greater than equal to 2. So what is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer for this. So I hope this is clear. Understand 2 points here. How you wrote the equation of normal, okay, and how we applied the condition that we get the real value of ABC, real value of M. Okay, so this is how we can approach this question. Okay, so now let's move to the next question here. So this we have done. Now again, this question was asked in JEE Advanced 2016. Let P be the point on the parabola. Let P be the point on the parabola y square equal to 4x, which is at the shortest distance from the center S of the circle. Okay, so now see, let's first draw this. This is, and let Q be the point on the circle dividing the line segment SP internally. So now see, let's say this is the parabola y square equal to 4x, right? Y square equal to 4x. What is the center of this circle? Center, you can say this is 2, 8. This is 2, 8. And what is the radius of this circle? Under root of g square plus f square minus c, right? So what is the radius of the circle? This is equal to 2. Okay. So the center is 2, 8. 2, 8, you can clearly see this is outside this parabola. This is outside this parabola. It is, if I put 2, 8 here, S1 is greater than 0. 64 minus 8, that is positive, right? And radius is 2. If you just check this, I can draw this circle. Let's say this is the circle which is having center 2, 8. This is center 2, 8 and radius is equal to 2. Now the question is, P be the point on this parabola which is at the shortest distance from the center S of this circle. Okay. Now we discussed one question already on the shortest distance. Shortest distance always lie along the common normal. So can we say, if you draw normal which is the line which is normal to both the curve, that is common normal, the shortest distance will lie along this. And in case of circle, normal is always passes through the center. So you can see this point P, which is at the common normal, will be at the shortest distance. Okay, shortest distance from this center S. Let Q be the point on this circle dividing SP internally. So let's say this is the point Q. Q is a point on this circle which is dividing SP internally. So this is point S, this is point Q, this is point P. And this is the common normal. This is the tangent and this is the tangent. That is why this is normal. Okay. Now the question is, what is SP? So for that you have to find point P. Again, for the other options also, you have to first you have to find point P. Now how will you get point P? This is the common normal. That is, this is normal to circle as well as parabola. So now see, any point on this parabola y square equal to 4x, can we say this is 80 square 280. What is A is equal to 1? That means this is the point t square 2t. This is the point on the parabola. Now what is the equation of normal at point P? We know what is the equation of normal to the parabola y square equal to 4x at point P. This is y plus tx is equal to 2at plus a t cube. This is the equation of normal at some point t on the parabola y square equal to 4ax. So now see, what is a is equal to 1. So this is y plus tx is equal to 2t plus t cube. Now see, if you have to find this point P, you have to just find what is the value of t here. What is the value of this t here? So this is the equation of normal at point P. Now this normal, you can see this is the normal which is passing through which point? This is passing through 2, 8 because this is also normal to the circle. And normal in case of circle always pass to the center of the circle. So now if I put this 2, 8 because this is passing through 2, 8, if I put this is 8 2t plus 2 is equal to 2t plus t cube. You can clearly see what is the value of t. t is equal to 2. Now, if t is equal to 2, what is the point P? Point P you can clearly see. Point P is equal to 4, comma. So we have got point P. The first option you can clearly see what is distance SP. SP you can easily find. This is distance formula 2, 8. S is 2, 8. So this is 2 minus 4 minus 2 square, that is 4. 8 minus 4 square, that is 16. Distance formula, right? So this is root 20. That is 2 root 5. So what is the answer? SP is 2 root 5. That is option A is correct. This is JEE advanced question. This is a multiple choice question. So we have to check other options also. Okay. So SP to ho gaya. Now we have to find SQ is to QP. We have to find this SQ is to QP. Now see, if you have to find SQ, what is SQ? SQ is the radius of the circle. So SQ to aapko directly mil jayega. This is SQ is equal to 2, radius of this circle. And how will you find QP? How will you find QP? QP you can easily find. What is QP? अभी हमने find किया. This is SP. SP में से ये SQ निकाल दो. So this is SP, that is 2 root 5 minus 2. I hope this is clear. ये QP कैसे होगा? SP में से SQ निकाल दो. That will be QP. So what is this ratio? SQ. What is SQ? SQ is to QP. This is 2 upon 2 root 5 minus 1, right? So you can cancel this. So what is this value? You can just rationalize this. This is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So SQ is to QP. SQ is to QP is root 5 plus 1 is to 4. So what is the, this is not correct answer because it is root 5 plus 1 is to 2. So that is option B is wrong. Now let's move to the option C. The x-intercept of the normal of the parabola at point P. At point P, what is the x-intercept of the normal? So abhi normal to humne find kiya hai. This is the normal at point P. We have got what is the value of t. So if I put t is equal to, what is the value of t? T is equal to 2 here. What is the equation of this normal? So what is the equation of this normal? This is y plus 2x is equal to, this is if I put y is equal to, sorry, t is equal to 2, this will become 4. This will become 4 and this will become 8. So this is 2x plus y is equal to 12. Now what is the y-intercept? For y-intercept, how will, sorry, x-intercept, how will you find x-intercept? Put y is equal to 0. So जैसे आप y is equal to 0 put करोगे, you can see what is x-intercept. This is equal to 6. क्योंकि आप y is equal to 0 put करोगे, this will be x equal to 6. So x-intercept is at point P. The normal of the x-intercept of normal at point P is 6. That is option C is correct. Now option D, the slope of tangent to the circle at Q. You have to find the slope of tangent at point Q. So what will be the slope of tangent at point Q on the circle? So उसके लिए you don't have to find tangent. आप ध्यान से देखो, this is normal. We have already got the normal का equation. What is the normal का equation? This is the normal का equation. And what is the slope of this line? Slope is equal to -2. और अगर इस normal का slope is -2, तो obviously tangent का slope will be what? m1 m2 equal to -1. Both are perpendicular. So what is the slope of this line? This is 1 by 2 because the slope of normal is -2. So m1 m2 equal to -1 से you can say the slope is equal to half. That is option D is also correct. So I hope you have understood. It's a very easy question. You have to just identify the shortest distance is along the common normal. Okay. So again, I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the next question. Now again, direct question on the equations. Let L be the normal to this parabola y square equal to 4x. If L passes through 9, 6, then what is the equation of L? So see here, this is the point 9, 6. This is, you can see this 9, 6 is satisfying this, right? This is 36 and this is 36. If I put 9, 6, so that is satisfying this. So this is 9, 6. Now the question is, we have to find the normal of this parabola which passes through 9, 6. The question is, normal passes through 9, 6. It's not necessary that the line should be normal at 9, 6 only. I can have a normal here. I can have a normal here which passes through 9,6. This is the catch in the question. I can have a point here which can normal can pass through, or there can be a normal at 9,6 also. I hope this is clear. So how will you find this normal? So you can see by any normal, let's say the slope of normal is m, right? Now what is the equation of normal to this parabola whose slope is m? This is y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. This is the equation of normal with slope m. And now we want that normal should pass through which point? 9,6. So 9,6 will satisfy this normal equation, because the normal should pass through 9,6. Put kar do 6 9m, correct, minus a ka value is 1, so this is minus 2m minus m cube. I hope this is clear. So what is this? This is m cube minus 7m plus 6 is equal to 0, right? M cube minus 7m plus 7, right? Now this is a cubic equation. How will you solve this? You can clearly see by hit and trial. M is equal to 1 is 1 root. You can see m is equal to 1 is 1 root. So बाकी factors find कर लो, either by dividing or by synthetic division. This is m minus 1, m minus 1, m minus 1. I'm directly factorizing this. I want m cube, so it should be m square here. So m square into m will become m cube. I don't want m square term. Here you have minus m square. So this is plus m, that is m square into, sorry, m square minus m square cancel. Then we have minus m here. I want minus 7. This will be minus 6. You can see this is minus 6m minus m will become minus 6m, and you can directly get 6. This is equal to 0. So what are this? This is m square plus m minus 6 into m minus 1 equal to 0. And now we can see this is m plus 3 into m minus 2 into m minus 1 equal to 0. So what are the values of m? You can see here m is equal to 1, 2 and minus 3. So these are the slopes of normal which can pass through 9,6. So अब इसका equation क्या हो जाएगा? Let me write this. What is the equation of normal? Y is equal to, okay, एक काम करते हैं. This is y is equal to mx minus a का value is 1. A का value is 1. So this is minus 2m minus m cube. चेक कर लो, ये इक्वेशन है, ठीक है. a का वैल्यू हमने पुट कर दिया. अब देयर आर 3 पॉसिबल आंसर्स. m इक्वल टू 1, तो लेट मी राइट इट हियर. अगर आप m इक्वल टू 1 लोगे तो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल? पुट m इज इक्वल टू 1. दिस इज y इज इक्वल टू x माइनस m इक्वल टू 1 पे दिस विल बिकम 3, so x minus 3. So x minus y minus x plus 3, that is one answer, option A. ठीक है. Second, if I put m is equal to 2, this is y is equal to 2x. This will become minus 4 and this is minus 8. So that is minus 12. Minus 12. So what is the second answer? This is y minus 2x plus 12. Y minus 2x plus 12. That is option D is correct answer. Okay. And now last option is minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3x. M is equal to minus 3. Put kar diya. This will become 6. And this is plus 27. This is 33. So this is plus 33. So what is this? So y plus 3x minus 33 equal to 0. So this is option B. So you can clearly see I've got option A, B, D. Okay. That is how you can solve this question. Okay. Now see, इसमें common mistake जो है, what is the common mistake here? What generally students do is they think that we have to find the equation of normal at 9,6. Okay. So they just use dy by dx and find one of the answer. By dy by dx, what is the equation of normal? You can find dy by dx is slope of tangent, slope of normal you can find, and then you can write the equation of normal which is pass normal at 9,6. But in this particular question, it is given that we have to find if line passes through 9,6. So I can have other normals also which can pass through 9, that is why we have two other answers also. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. The next question again on the normals. Normals are drawn. Normals are drawn from the point P with slopes m1, m2, m3 to this parabola. The locus of point P with m1, m2 equal to alpha is a part of alpha itself. Then find the value alpha. So basically क्या है? The locus of P under the condition that m1, m2, the slope of normals m1, m2 is alpha, is a part of parabola itself. Okay, so what is the value of alpha? So देखो, let's start with the concept of locus only. Normals are drawn from the point P with slope m1, m2, m3. So let's say this is point P. Okay, this is which is a moving point. Let's say this is h comma k. अब यहाँ से हमने we have drawn the normal 1. Let's say this is normal 2, normal 3. This is one normal, another normal, and another normal. These are the three normals with slope m1, m2, and m3. Normals are drawn from the point P with slope this. If the locus of point P, that is why assume the moving point h comma k, तो हमने वहाँ पे h comma k assume कर लिया. If the locus of point P with this condition is a part of parabola, so मतलब ultimately you have to find the equation of locus only. Then we will see, right? Now how will you get the equation of locus? That means you have to find the relation between h and k. इसका locus find करना, that means you have to find the relation h and k. Now see, what is the equation of any normal whose slope is m? This is y is equal to mx, parabola, standard parabola, y square equal to 4x. Okay, y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. A is equal to 1, right? Y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. This is the equation of normal. Now you can clearly see the normal which we are considering are passing through which point? H comma k. So they will satisfy the equation. This normal equation will satisfy h comma k. तो यहाँ पे h comma k से ये पास हो रहा है, satisfy करा दो. So this is k mh minus 2m minus m cube passing through h comma k, satisfy करा दो. So you can clearly see this is m cube plus 2 minus h m plus k is equal to 0. M cube 2 minus h m, right? Now see, this is, you can see, a cubic equation in M. That means there can be three normals which can pass through h comma k, whose slopes will be the roots of this equation, which will be m1, m2, and m3. The normal passing through h comma k has slope m1, m2, or m3. मतलब इस इक्वेशन के, इस क्यूबिक इक्वेशन के रूट्स क्या होंगे? m1, m2, m3. Now condition under which this point P is moving, that m1, m2 should be equal to alpha, some constant alpha. So okay, so m1, m2, it is given that product m1, m2 should be equal to alpha. अब आप ध्यान से देखो, how can you find the equation of locus? That means you have to find the relation in h and k. Can we say m1, m2, m3, m1, m2, m3? What is the product of roots of this equation? This is minus k. You can see m1, m2, m3 will be coefficient of constant term divided by leading coefficient. Accordingly, you can write this, right? एक बार check कर लीजिए, right? Now you can clearly see m1, m2 का value is alpha. So what is m3? M3 will be equal to minus k by alpha. M3 is minus k by alpha, correct? M3 is the root of this equation, तो इसको satisfy करना चाहिए. So this is, if I substitute this, this is minus k cube by alpha cube minus 2 minus h. m का वैल्यू हम पुट कर रहे हैं k by alpha, ठीक है? So this is k by alpha, right? Plus k is equal to 0. Now if I just simplify this, you can see here k को तो cancel कर दो. This is minus k square by alpha plus minus 2 minus h by alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. I hope this is clear. Just cancelling k, so you can see we have got this equation, right? This is alpha cube. Now see, if I just arrange this, so let me arrange this. this is k square by alpha cube. K square by alpha cube is equal to h minus 2 by k. Sorry, h minus 2 by alpha. H minus 2 by alpha, right? Plus 1. Everyone check this step. I have just taken this on this side and arranged this. This is negative sign I have taken inside this, right? So now what is replace h with x and k with y for the locus. So this is replace h with x. This is y square by alpha cube is equal to x minus 2 by alpha plus 1, right? So now if I just multiply with alpha cube also, so this is y square is equal to alpha square x minus 2 plus alpha cube. Clear? So we have got the equation of locus of this point P. This is alpha square x plus alpha cube minus 2 alpha square. This is the equation of locus. I hope this is clear. So arrange kar do usko. Alpha square x alpha cube minus 2 alpha square. Correct? Now the question is you have to find the value of alpha. Condition क्या है? The locus is a part of parabola. जो locus बन रहा है that is part of this given parabola. अब आप खुद सोचो अगर ये part of parabola है, ये जो locus है, this is part of this parabola only, मतलब उसका कुछ part इससे match हो रहा है. That means equation of this and this should be same. Now what is the condition that both the equations should be same? That means you can see alpha square. इसको देखो ध्यान से. Alpha square should be equal to 4, and if I want this equation to be converted to this form, then alpha square should be 4 and alpha cube minus 2 alpha square should be 0. Both the conditions should be satisfied. Now you see here, from this what can be the value? Let me write it. From this you can see what can be the value of alpha. Alpha can be equal to 0 or 2. I can just take this alpha square common. Alpha can be 0 or alpha can be 2. But which value you will accept? Which satisfy both these conditions. So you can clearly see alpha. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to 2 because alpha equal to 2 this will become 4. This term will become 4 and this term will become 0. So what is the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. So I hope this is clear. Understand this. पहले हमने locus का equation कैसे find किया? How we use the cubic concept, and then how we applied that both the locus and the original parabola are similar. ठीक है? मतलब दोनों का equation same है, right? So this is how we can solve this question. Okay. So I hope you have understood these questions. अभी next class में we'll finish parabola के all the questions. Okay. So that's it for now. So I hope all the questions are clear. Okay. Thank you.